Peter Chang here for MachoCave.tv, and today we have a real treat. We're going to be unboxing the Motorola Xoom. Now, the Motorola Xoom is a Android-based tablet, and all that basically means it runs the Android Honeycomb OS 3.0 made by Google. And what's interesting about the Android OS is that there's a lot of restrictions that are sort of lifted with a Android-based tablet. And what's interesting about this particular Motorola Xoom tablet is that this is also the same tablet that Google's engineers have used to build out the new version of the Android Honeycomb operating system. So really cool about this is that it's pretty much the template for all the other Motorola or all the other Android type devices. What's cool about this particular tablet is it's won the CES Best in Show Award for 2011, and this particular version is the Wi-Fi version. There's also a 3G version, and there's also like a 4G upgrade to that. But if you want to avoid like a data charge, I would suggest highly suggest the Wi-Fi version. What's awesome about this is that you could run Adobe Flash, unlike the iPad, where the iPad doesn't have the Flash settings on there. And let's get another shot of this box. Check out the back of it. Sometimes you go to a store, you don't get to see the box at all. You just see the display model working. And we see that it's really kind of touting this as the tablet as being the hub of your digital life. And let's get a better shot here. What I really love about these product images, they always say screen images are simulated. So it's while you still kind of get that same look and feel, they always kind of like Photoshop up the box a little bit more. So some of the highlights of this tablet is that it does include NVIDIA's dual-core Tegra processor. It does have front and back facing cameras, and we're running the latest greatest Android Honeycomb OS. And there should be an update soon where we could actually use the flash key port. Currently it's disabled, but there should be a version where we're within the Android update where it allows for that. So let's open this up and check it out. So a lot of times people wonder, like, okay, what do you actually get with the tablet? So let's lift this out, and then it's just really just kind of jammed, sealed right in there. Interestingly, the picture here depicts the dock, and the tablet does not come with a dock. So just so you're aware. Let's lift it up. And really it's just sealed tightly in there. Okay, it's going to take a little work to pull out here. There we go. And here's the contents of the case here. While this tablet does support high def HDMI out, it doesn't really come with an HDMI cable. Here we see it's got the power cable. What I find kind of irritating with these things is that it's got its own little proprietary power cable, so this is the only cable that you have that could charge this device. If you lose it, you have to buy another power cable from Motorola. And let me see if I could show you what this proprietary pin looks like for this power cable. There it is. It's just this kind of like needle-like pin. And let's check out some of the documentation. Here it is. Pretty cool. I love the documentation. They kind of splurged on the color documentation. And it's just another kind of like little warranty thing about the Xoom. And once again, just another warranty deal. And just another documentation telling us to download Adobe Flash. Another warranty thing. And here we have our proprietary USB cable. Now, if you've been using some other Motorola products, you probably already have a USB cable that's compatible with this. All right, let's check out the actual tablet here. And check out the back of the tablet. Very cool. We have 2 rear speakers, and we have the rear facing camera as well. It's pretty heavy. It's heavier than the iPad 1 and iPad 2. But it really does feel very solidly built. And it's a pretty nice hefty little heft to it. Try to get this into focus, but on the top here is where you'd plug in your headphones and the expansion card. And so if you could make out the top line in the expansion card. There it is. There's the camera. And what's interesting is the camera also has a little LED flash to it. Alright, let's try turning this thing on. There is the back button. There we are. It's powering up. I know it's powering up because we see the little dual core symbol in there. And what's interesting with these tablet devices is that when you first turn it on, it goes through like some sort of setup mode, so it takes a little longer to set up. That was actually kind of cool. I love that kind of RoboCop meets Tron look to it. And this is the startup menu. And thanks for watching. This marks the start of the Wi-Fi setup and all the system preferences setup. And once again, thanks for watching the Macho Cave unboxing. And remember, everything matters.